Hey everyone, Matthew of Mr. Domestic here to show all of you how to make these awesome fabric flowers that you can make with any fabric that you have. You can put it in your ear, you can make decor. I'm so honored that Michaels once again has invited me to share a project using my brother Scan and Cut with all of you. They legit have awesome tech supplies, and Michaels, you wouldn't think, you'd think more craft, but they have a lot of tech also for the crafter, and upon discovering all of that, it's definitely where I'm going to go. Not only have they stood up for the LGBTQIA+ community, they've also stood up for the Black community in their statement and what they're doing internally. They're just a company that leads with values, and that's where I want my money and my energy to go. So thank you, Michaels, for bringing me into the fold, and I can't wait to show all of you how to make these awesome flowers that I'm about to sport in my hair and go around town. So if you're ready for this, let's have some fun. You can make your own fabric flower. You can use solids, you can use multiple colors, you can even use prints. Helena, my daughter, and I are planning on preparing a bunch of fabric cutting out a bunch of flowers with the Brother Scan & Cut, then heading over to the couch to create flowers all day. So maybe some of y'all out there would want to do that. Also, just make sure to be careful with the glue gun, especially if you've got a super hot one. So, Michaels, thank you for inviting me once again to share a project with everyone. Truly appreciate it. Appreciate everything you're doing for the LGBTQIA plus community, what you're intending to do for the Black community, and what you do for the crafting community at large. So, everyone, keep it positive. Mr. Domestic out.